Welcome to Beyond Just Money. My name is Samta, and today we have the head of content for Calcine Media, Miss Nidhi Sinha, as our guest speaker. Welcome, Nidhi, to Beyond Just Money.
Thanks so much, Samta, for having me on the show.
So, Nidhi, our today's agenda is really interesting. It is to unravel the lesser known facts about none other than Mr. Elon Musk. Because apart from all the moolah and the eccentric and his lavish lifestyle, there's a lot more than what meets the eye for this gentleman. So, where do we begin with when it comes to exploring unknown facts about Elon, Nidhi?
Well, there is a bunch of surprises about Elon, who's more popularly known as a business magnate. He's actually made appearances in Hollywood sitcoms and movies like Your Big Bang Theory, Simpsons, and South Park. And that's not all, Samta. He's also made an appearance in Marvel's Iron Man 2, along with Robert Downey Jr.
Oh, that's interesting. And what all is he a fan of? I'm sure what's coming is exceptional.
Definitely, Samta, it's very, very interesting to see what this man likes. Elon is actually a great fan of X-Men. His love for them once made him decide to name a few of his robots at his Tesla facility after mutant superheroes. Like Storm, Iceman, Colossus, Wolverine, and Xavier. Tesla was unstoppable at that time and even passed a statement to say, to us, these robots are like superheroes. So we figured they deserved superhero names. That's interesting, right?
Exactly. And if I'm not mistaken, his real life is somewhere influenced by the real life of the Hollywood characters.
Well, Samta, we all know, Stan Lee, the creator of the renowned Marvel character Iron Man, has based the character on American businessman Howard Hughes. Similarly, Tony Stark in Iron Man, played by none other than Robert Downey Jr., is based on Elon.
Oh wow, that's amazing. So, how is Elon's personal life like? Would it be wrong to say that his kids are among the most privileged ones?
Yeah, Samta. So, Elon's first wife gave birth to a set of twins in 2004, followed by triplets in 2006. At present, he, along with his first wife, share custody of 5 children together. Elon actually also fathered a son in 2002 who unfortunately passed away just 2.5 months later due to a syndrome called sudden infant death syndrome. But in 2018, Elon started dating this Canadian singer called Claire Elise Boucher. And 2 years later, they technically named their son X. So Elon has a total of 6 children now, to be precise. And all of them happen to be boys.
Okay, and now that we know about his children, it would be more fascinating to know about Elon's early age. So, Nidhi, what can you tell us about that?
Well, I would say, Samta, that it was quite an exceptional one. Elon was born in South Africa in 1971, and as a boy, he admired The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. His love made him develop a space-themed PC game called Blaster, which he sold to a magazine for $500 at that time. And all this was done at the age of just 12. Then again, when he reached 17 years of age, he migrated to Canada from South Africa, where he was born, and then he went on to attend college in the US. Subsequently, he created an online advertising platform which was called Zip2 at just the age of 25. And it doesn't end here. By 1999, at the age of just 30, he registered himself as a millionaire after selling the company to Compaq Computer. So it has definitely been quite exceptional, Samta.
Oh, well, that's great to know. And yet, it is quite practical that holding aspirations like SpaceX rockets need a lot more funds. Has it ever been that money became a hurdle in his life?
Well, I would say that Elon was very smart in finding the way out. So, due to the shortage of funding, he invested his own money to develop SpaceX rockets. And interestingly, SpaceX is scheduled to launch 2 crewed flights for NASA this year itself, which includes 4 cargo refueling missions over a period of next 15 months or so. Apart from it, Elon's official annual salary for Tesla Motors is just $1, and that's something that everyone doesn't know. It is the same venture that was exceptionally awarded the highest safety rating ever given in the automobile sector, with 5.4 out of just 5 from the National Highway Safety Administration.
Well, that was quite interesting and unbelievable, Nidhi. And thank you so much for sharing your insights with our listeners. I'm sure our listeners had a great time knowing more about their favorite young investor, Elon Musk. And to all our listeners who want to listen to this podcast again, please log on to calkinemedia.com or please log on to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We have a lot of interesting topics that we discuss every week. And thank you so much, Nidhi, for being there with us and sharing some really interesting facts about Elon Musk today.
Thanks, Samta. Like I said, it's always a pleasure to be here.
All right, on that note, we will see you all very soon with yet another insightful episode of Beyond Just Money. Until then, as we say, stay apprised and invest wise with Kalkine, your best guide.